Okay, hello, this is my video review of Transformers Revenge of the Fallen Bumblebee. It's okay. Bumblebee is a Camaro. Great concept Camaro 2009 version. There's a new, because this is only my Bumblebee, so I can compare it with others. It's okay, this is the new hood of Bumblebee, and the tires, new model, and his face is more now cooler. But the one thing that I hate here, he has only one hand, and the joints of it is loose. Maybe that's only mine. And you see, that's why I didn't added the gun, because I don't like it. I mean the missile launcher. I don't like it. So, okay, you can open the door. See, so it's comparison with my Legends G1 exclusive photos. Okay, exclusive photos G1. This one, that's my first review. This is my second review. Okay, I like it. It's okay. It's okay. Transform him. Just first, simply open the doors. And open the back panel, separate the feet, and you can take off the gun before you transform it. It's okay, and this piece, slide it up, and fold this piece down, and pull this down. Then auto morph. Okay, I'm just gonna do it with the other one. Lots of you just know how to transform this guy, you know. So please, if you want to watch this guy, please watch it. And next thing, this piece, this door panel, pull it. See, you see it? Pull it. It's okay. And next up, pull this piece up, pull this piece up, and so that you can do it. You got the so sorry about it. You need to push this panel so that you can pull this down, because if you didn't push it, you can pull it down. It's gonna stuck. And pull this up and pull this down. If lots of you don't know how to transform Bumblebee, please watch this. I'm fixing it. Sorry. Yeah, I forgot to do it harder. There it is. More. It's okay. That. Just clip it again. It's okay. It's not bad. I'm rating this 7 out of 10 in this road mode, because what is, I mean 8 out of 10, because this is the gun has no hand. I thought it's gonna be a hand. You can take off this so that you can see the hand there. I thought that was so pricey. Still, do they know it? It's not. But still, it's an awesome. It's a cool robot. It's okay. Car mode 10 out of 10 because I like it. It's okay. One thing I hated, the car mode. No automatic mode, so that's okay for me. It's okay. Let's transform this first. Just wait for a minute. Done. I'm so happy that I can review my Transformers, because long time ago I don't have any camera, so that I now got a camera. now review. Okay. See, this is what I hate here. If you pull this thing up, it will go down. If you move this thing up, it will go down. Why this? If you pull this thing up, this will go down. That's what I hate. So this is cool always. Okay, so sorry. It's okay. It's not gonna be snake. It's $304. It's okay. Thank you for watching. Before we go, please write a comment. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.